Shalom everyone, I hope you are well and safe wherever you are. I have a few important announcements, so please pay attention for the next couple minutes. Tonight and tomorrow is a very powerful and special day. It's the 23rd of the month of Sivan. In previous years, I already explained that it says in the Megillah of Esther, that once Haman had the decree to annihilate the entire nation of Israel, on the 23rd of Sivan, the Megillah says that was the day that the decree was nullified by the prayers of Mordechai and Esther. So tonight and tomorrow, Wednesday and Thursday, is the 23rd day of Sivan, and very, very amazing timing that at the time that we are going to pray now on the 23rd of Sivan, exactly we are at war with the modern Persia, with Iran, and the timing here couldn't even be better. So first of all, and most important, what I wanted to announce to everybody is how important this day is. Mystically, it's a very, very good, positive day for the nation of Israel when they pray to either completely nullify a decree or to sweeten decree. It can be both in your personal life and of course on a nation level. So the first thing that I want you to do is to go to my website at smooth.org/Sivan23. You can find the link underneath this video. And on that page, you're going to find a bunch of videos with a lot of explanations. You'll find text that explains everything that you need to do today. Better, you'll see in the explanations that really everything has to be done tomorrow, on Thursday, not on the night. All the prayers are there, exactly what you need to recite. Everything is on that page. The only addition that is not on that page is on that page you will see the instructions and the text there is for the prayers. Part of the prayers is to read a portion of the Megillah. This year, because of the war with Iran and what's going on there, many of the great rabbis in Israel suggested and asked if one can do it, then read the entire Megillah. So if you can't, read the portion that is on the website. If you can, read the entire Megillat Esther. And I'll tell you why this day is so important, not only on your personal level, but also on the entire world level, on a nation level. First of all, each and every one of us, unfortunately, has their fair share with doing sins. These sins bring on us decrees. These decrees come to us they manifest in the physical world as sickness, disease, hardship, lack of money, and so many other things. Can be confusion, can be anxieties, can be so many different things. And we have the opportunity to sweeten these judgments. I gave a class a few weeks ago explaining all about that. But more than that, we can do that on a nation level. And now that we see that the wheels of the redemption are going into the next gear, that means that the entire nation needs to buckle up and, as they say in simple words, get their act together. I gave a class yesterday, it's loaded on YouTube. I highly recommend for you to go and watch it. This is the first class of a few classes coming out in a series that's going to be posted throughout the next few weeks. Highly recommend for you to watch this class and then of course to follow the rest of the classes with a lot of information that, trust me, you don't want to miss. With that, then we want to take the opportunity that on such a powerful day like on the 23rd of Sivan, where the luck of the nation of Israel changed for the best. Can you imagine if tomorrow thousands and thousands of people are going to read the prayers, recite the Tehillim, recite the Megillah, do everything that I posted on the website? Thousands of people. Can you imagine what power it is to tilt the scale in a positive way for the nation of Israel, to hastening the redemption, bringing the redemption with kindness and with mercy, that nobody needs to suffer anymore? So that's the opportunity. If I believe that if everybody would understand how powerful this day is, they would take the whole day to pray. I'm going tomorrow to the grave of Binyamin, the son of Yaakov, of Jacob, because Mordechai is from the tribe of Binyamin, and I explained in previous years why. And by the way, the video that I loaded yesterday on the website, on the YouTube, I explain in details the significance of today, the 23rd of Sivan, what needs to be done, many other things. So go and watch that video. It's at the end. But when one would understand really the significance of this day, then anyone will pray from morning to night. So I'm going tomorrow to the grave of Binyamin Tzaddik and going to pray there and recite the prayers. If you want to submit names, as usual, on the website you'll find a link where you can submit names for me to pray on your behalf. But again, go to atzmut.org/Sivan23, share that page, share this video, share all this information. We need as many as people as possible to recite all these prayers. And I get many of our Gentile followers asking if they can participate. You can go ahead and participate. We need the nations praying for us too. The redemption is for the entire world. It's not only for the nation of Israel. So anyone who's not even Jewish can recite these prayers with there's no question here. And the last thing really that I wanted to mention is because of the situation with Iran and Israel is being bombarded, and I addressed the whole thing in the last lecture that I loaded. Now I just want to ask you all that each and every one of you should take on themselves 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day to read more Tehillim, to do more acts of kindness, to give a charity, to do whatever you can. Learn Torah, work on yourself, be less angry, less aggressive, less judgmental. We have to pull our weights together. We got to get our act together as our nation. We see that Hashem is doing unbelievable miracles, and we need the help and the power of everybody. So on the same page, by the way, where you will find all the prayers, you'll also find a link where you can donate to our Support Israel Fund. In times like this, many men are in reserves, many businesses are closed, people are finding it very difficult to make ends meet, and we have the great merit to help and support hundreds of families financially, mainly with food. The funds that we're collecting, they mainly go for food. So you have an opportunity also if you want to support that fund. You'll find it on the same page. And most important, take opportunity of this powerful day. I'm going to post another video tomorrow, and I'll do another video from the grave itself, from the place. But go to atzmut.org forward and share this video. But follow all the instructions and take advantage of this day. It's a powerful, powerful day. And I'm going to wish for you and bless for you that all your prayers, everything that your heart desires, everything that is negative in your life, that Hashem should transform it to positive. And in the merit of Esther and Mordechai and this holy day, that Hakol Yishtaneh L'Tovah, that everything should change for the good. Please share this video, and I'll see you tomorrow on another one.